In this video, we will have a look at the concept of real estates in the metaverse. So let's get started. When Neal Stephenson wrote the novel Snow Crash in 1992, he coined Metaverse. The genre was mainly relegated to science fiction and, to a lesser extent, gaming platforms that attempted to build an immersive duplicate of the actual world on digital media for some years before becoming more widely accepted. As a result of the development of many blockchain-driven applications that decentralize virtual worlds, the metaverse has gained traction in recent months, with significant ramifications for the real estate industry. What is digital real estate in the metaverse? In the metaverse, users can communicate with each other and the 3D world around them by using 3D avatars. They can also use human-computer interactions, HCI, to exchange information with the 3D world around them. The virtual worlds contained inside the metaverse are divided into digital real estate parts known as parcels, and parcels can be purchased and sold using the currency of the metaverse platform on which they are located. Decentraland, for example, has a cryptocurrency token called Mana that can be used to buy land on the forum. For the previous few months, investors have spent millions of dollars purchasing land in the metaverse. There is no doubt that technology has altered how real estate is conducted. Even mortgage providers and lenders cater to customers who purchase digital real estate. This has resulted in 5 significant ramifications for the real estate industry. Implications of digital real estate. Number 1. It redefines the value of land and deprioritizes utility factor. Land is valued in the real world based on 3 critical factors: its size, location, and actual function. When purchasing digital real estate in the metaverse, one of these characteristics becomes less significant than the others. Actual usefulness is no longer as important as it once was when purchasing physical real estate, because the buyer would never actually reside in or visit the area. As a result, size and location become far more critical motivators in the purchase decision. Number 2. It allows a broader pool of buyers to invest in real estate. In contrast to the current world, anyone can make an investment in metaverse real estate. Land parcels come in a wide range of shapes, sizes, and locations, and they can be bought through several different platforms, each with another price point. Buyers worldwide can open a cryptocurrency wallet of their choice and begin investing immediately after setting it up. It is possible to purchase microland plots that are cheap for everyone. There are no restrictions on purchasing global real estate. Number 3. It is forward-looking and anticipates the metaverse will blow up. Digital real estate has several important implications, one of which is that it considers the growing popularity of metaverse platforms, which are becoming increasingly popular. In anticipation of a future in which everyone would be able to communicate through the metaverse, companies such as Samsung and PwC have invested in digital real estate in the uncertainty of the future. As a few of the metaverse platforms now under development gain meaningful use, other media may be phased out, raising the level of risk connected with the project in general. Number 4. It is a high-risk investment activity and could lead to losses. There is no guarantee that all metaverse platforms that are currently garnering investment will continue to be popular in the future, resulting in digital real estate becoming a high-risk investment class. In addition, the inherent worth of metaverse land is currently being debated by analysts and in peer-reviewed forums, as previously stated. As a result of the utility factor's low value, confident investors may suffer losses over the long term. Number 5. It reimagines a host of real-world activities for metaverse land. Growing in importance as more and more land tracts become available for purchase, there has been a concerted attempt to rethink real-world operations, to apply them to digital real estate. There have been a lot of trade shows and exhibitions in the metaverse, with big event venues, sponsorships, and booths that help make money and generate income. It would be a totally immersive experience with the potential for hands-on interaction. There would be no need for travel or commute. In the same way that the metaverse may be used for social events, weddings, and collaborative work, the metaverse can be used to put digital real estate to good use. Metaverse land purchase trends for 2022. The following are some of the most notable digital real estate trends to watch in the coming year. According to projections, sales will likely reach more than $1 billion by 2021. According to forecasts, land sales in the metaverse will hit a new high of $500 million in 2021, setting a new record. Sales are predicted to more than triple by 2022, hitting at least $1 billion for the first time in the industry. However, the momentum will probably begin to ebb and flow as the year progresses. The market will continue to be volatile and vary in response to changes in the industry and announcements from major participants. Suppose there are significant changes in the industry or extensive reports from big companies about how they will do business. In that case, things will change in the market. For example, when the price of Meta's stock decreased at the start of 2022, there were concerns regarding the selling of digital real estate in general. Investors could expect some volatility if more announcements are made on powerful platforms such as The Sandbox, Decentraland, which includes Roblox, Blocktopia, which provides for Blocktopia, and others in the future. Among the first to implement the technology will be corporations and luxury brands. Investments in digital real estate were made by both specialized metaverse investment firms and major corporations. They continue to be the top two early movers in the field. In 2022, more of the big four companies are likely to buy land in the metaverse, which will keep up with the current trend. Events that take place in the metaverse have the potential to become frequent. Most metaverse platforms have their own event calendars, and Meta's New Horizon venues are now open to the general public as part of their ongoing expansion. Consequently, it is possible that holding events using digital real estate may become a regular practice by 2022. This trend is expected to keep going shortly because virtual reality (VR) is an excellent option for events like concerts and art shows that want to be more immersive. Understanding the underlying technology, blockchain. At the end of the day, the blockchain architecture that supports the metaverse is responsible for the metaverse's disruptive potential. The allocation of digital assets with non-fungible values on the blockchain provides the real estate with a competitive advantage, even in the absence of a virtual environment. Although they are not employed in the framework of the metaverse, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, represent a significant asset class in their own right. A non-financial token, NFT, is used for trading digital real estate in virtual worlds. This means that they can use the same technology as the real world. As a result of their collaboration, NFTs and virtual reality enable customers to invest in digital land that they may own and view in 3D and interact with other users, all while maintaining the land's technical status as real. So, who already owns land in the metaverse? Many businesses are making investments in the space, in the belief that the metaverse will assist them in reaching new customers. PricewaterhouseCoopers has purchased a parcel of land in the Sandbox to develop a Web 3.0 advising center to enable the delivery of a new generation of professional services, including accounting and taxes. Aside from that, Adidas has purchased land in the area as a way of expressing our excitement about the possibilities it has, and Warner Music Group is putting together plans to build a virtual music venue. Everyone can buy affordable micro land parcels, and there are no restrictions on purchasing global real estate. In 2021, the metaverse will sell $500 million worth of land. Sales are expected to triple by 2022, reaching $1 billion for the first time. The market will continue to fluctuate in response to industry changes. The metaverse allocates digital assets with non-fungible values, based on cryptocurrencies using the same technology as the real world. In the metaverse, NFTs can be used to trade digital real estate. What do you think about owning a real estate in the metaverse? Please let us know in the comments below. Before going, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Hit that bell icon to catch the latest video as soon as it's out. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.